For sale, only $27,000 is a 1977 26-foot GMC with a 455 cubic inch motor, Eleganza II. It's got less than 33,000 miles on the odometer and only 170 hours on the 6,000 watt Onan generator. The generator has new spark plugs, wires, electric fuel pump, and fuel filter. The interior is leak-free with all new self-leveling lap sealant on the entire roof and all side seams. Also, there's brand new weather stripping on all the windows, which function nicely. The entry has the optional screen door. It has a new driver windshield, and there is only slight fogging on the side of the passenger windshield. It has two new OEM rear suspension airbags, all the air lines, brass fittings and valves, and a new Firestone 200 PSI air pump. The automatic leveling system works very well and is set at 120 PSI. There's minimal tread wear on all 6 Firestone Transforce HT, LT 225/75 R16 Blackwell tires. All new brakes front and rear. New front disc brakes, rotors, pads complete. New rear drum brakes complete with first time turn drums and brake shoes, springs, wheel cylinders, rods, struts, auto adjuster, and parking brake lever. Both 25-gallon fuel tanks were dropped, cleaned, and new sending units installed with all new fuel lines, hoses, fittings, with a new electric fuel pump and safety shutoff switch to assist the rebuilt mechanical fuel pump at the carburetor. There's a new potable water pump and brass fittings and lines on 40-gallon freshwater tank. New handles, valves, stems, and seats on both the kitchen and bathroom faucets. There's an all-new 40-gallon Blackwater holding tank with complete new discharge system and new macerator pump and switch. This coach has the recirculating toilet in the wet bath. The optional large 65-pound LP gas tank. There's a 4-burner gas range top in the galley with the microwave under the range. The Norcold refrigerator freezer runs on either propane or electric. There's a 6-gallon hot water tank and it has 2 ice-cold 3-speed roof ACs. There's a new MaxFan Auto Rain Guard roof vent and new bathroom moisture MaxFan roof vent with LED lighting. I replaced the vanity light fixtures with new covers. All new exhaust system with 3-inch stainless steel exhaust pipe and 2 new mufflers. New OEM multi-port all aluminum radiator, aluminum AC condenser, and heavy-duty shrouded twin cooling fans producing 4,800 cubic foot per minute engine cooling airflow for the new aluminum air conditioning compressor with a new manifold hose set, a new AC belt, Gatorback 134A conversion kit, and the dash AC dryer. There's a new mechanical engine temperature gauge, the cabin stays cool, and the engine does not overheat. I installed a full side-to-side galvanized mesh radiator rock guard behind the front grille to protect the new radiator and condenser, etc. There are new spark plugs, wires, a new rotor with rebuilt distributor and radiator hoses and drive belts on the engine. A brand new, in July 2024, 36-month Walmart Max 34 1000 cranking amp 800 cold cranking amp battery with new heavy-duty battery isolation shutoff. 2 driver side A&E window awnings and large heavy-duty aluminum A&E passenger entry door side awning. There's optional heavy-duty entry door slide-out step for easy entry assist. The carpet was professionally steam cleaned and re-dyed a rich purple plum color. This coach comfortably sleeps 6 with the 3-seater main sofa converting into twin-size bunk beds 6 foot long by 30 inches wide. The 2 rear side-by-side love seats convert to the main 6 foot by 4 foot wide bed. The dining area table and seats can convert into another 6 foot by 38 inch bed. There are plenty of overhead cabinets throughout the entire coach and a good size hanging clothes closet and shoe rack. Included are very valuable printed materials. First, a full wiring diagram. Second, the GMC Z78 350-page motorhome parts book. Third, 1977 139-page operating manual. Fourth, original Onan Generator operator manual. Fifth, Thetford Electric Magic Recirculating Toilet owner manual. Sixth, 1977 Motor Trend magazine review. Included on a thumb drive are a NH 6000 watt Onan 45-page operator's manual and parts catalog, a GMC ZEO 6581 451-page 1977 maintenance manual supplement, the GMC 139-page 1977 operator manual, and I'm also including 2 heavy-duty rubber wheel chocks, 2 large Piper Sentry 5-pound ABC chemical fire extinguishers, and an emergency DOT fleet highway safety kit for night. All right, now we're going to go into the coach. There's the step kit. Screen door. Here's the entry. There's the front sofa conversion to 2 twin beds. All the lighting works, all the cabinets are fine. There's a dining area. There's all the printed materials. And also the thumb drive. I have a receipt book for all the major receipts. Here's the front of the coach. When you have these curtains closed, the cab stays nice and cold with the brand new air conditioning system on the engine. We'll turn around, go towards the back. There's one of the 2 fire extinguishers. I've opened up the 2 rear love seats to show you the size of the full-size bed that's back here. There's storage, there's lighting. Again, all the windows have brand new weather stripping. There's the closet for your clothes, shoe rack, hat rack. The rear air conditioner, it's a little smaller than the front air conditioner, but they both work great. They're 3 speeds. And then we get into the bathroom. This is a wet bath. There's a LED exhaust fan. There's a mirror there, but you don't want to see me, so there's the new lens covers. So that's the coach. Now I'll start it. So this should start up very nicely. There you go, first crank. This is the air ride system switches. It works great. You can see the rear pump is pressurized up to 120 psi. There's the new mechanical switch gauge for the water temperature. It's got a stereo system that pops out for if you don't like leaving it inside. Like I say, all the windows slide nicely. And there's the power train. You can see the air conditioning compressor. There's the fans down there. So we're going to do another walk around so you can hear the motor purring. There's a shut-off switch for the battery, brand new battery. rock guard. The new condenser and the new radiator. Everything in tip-top shape. So here's the printed information and also what's on the thumb drive. So we got 45 pages on the power drawer, the generator, 451 pages on the manual, maintenance manual supplement, and 139 pages on the operating manual for this coach, and they're all on that thumb drive. There's the wiring diagram. It opens up to very large size, as large as the tabletop. And although I've got it on thumb drive, here's the printed operator manual, the printed motorhome parts book, and all, as I said, all the receipts for all the major things that have been done.